do-it-yourself video, I'll be showing you how to create your own Google Cardboard virtual reality experience using carton and some instrument for your art. So it's a simple project which you can do for your student and with your student for a project in your school. So check it out. And first you cut your paper. You can use any carton. This is a monitor carton. You just cut it out and get the internal shape right. So just remove the edges that are folded, and you remove both sides. Then you actually add your cardboard print out on the surface. That's it. You just add your cardboard printout on the surface. Now you could definitely use a super glue so that it get attached to the cardboard. So you print out the cardboard template and you attach it with super glue on the cardboard surface. So definitely in this part of the world we call it carton. So the carton, other parts of the world, cardboard is a bit thicker, but here we call it's more of carton. So carton for buying anything. It is a monitor carton which you can use for the project. So you just cut out the unnecessary parts, the excesses at the edges. Here it's just a rough cut, so you should be able to do neater work by using sharp tools like scissors and a very pinpoint mouth knife. This knife is a bit big, so if you're cutting the internal surface it might not be smooth. So that's it there. You just add glue to paper, then put it on the cardboard so that you have a better way of tracing the shapes out from the cardboard. Okay, you might just a bit wait for it to get dried and cut it out. Cut it out properly. I'm using a crude instrument. I don't know why, but anyways, just for demonstration purposes. I'd like to see what you could do better. Now just cut it out quickly. They have laser cutter. I think that's, I don't have a laser cutter anyway, so I'm using normal materials. Moreover, for demonstration purposes, you will not go too sophisticated with your students. It's what they have you will be definitely using. If you can get these basic things from the arts teacher, it could help out to make it a bit more smooth. So it's just a demonstration of how to create your Google Cardboard framework. Then cut all the edges quite smoothly and quite carefully. Don't strike too fast with your knife. Kind of punch the cardboard with the knife gently. Punch it gently, so you don't have the issue of too much rough edges. So just punch the cardboard gently with the knife, so you have a better cut out at the tail end of your project. So if you have extra money to spare, you could get the laser cutter. That will cut your paper smoothly. or you use a hacksaw, sort of a tiny hacksaw. I think that works fine. A tiny hacksaw that will go around. I think that will be a better option than a knife or scissors. It has this it's tiny slim blades that can go around the surface. So when you finish cutting, use a sellotape to join the edges of it. That will be prior to when you finish cutting the different holes in your cardboard. So let me know what you think at the end of the session, and show me what you can do better. I'll appreciate your feedback, and I'll appreciate your experience with it. There's a virtual reality glass using cardboard or carton. It actually helps you put your phone inside the cutout and use the cardboard app. You go to Play Store and download the Google Cardboard app. You could actually download the Google Cardboard camera so that you could create your own virtual reality experience. Now, I would like to tell to you on some things here that why you use virtual reality is not because you can't have an interactive whiteboard, or it's quite a different experience. Some topics can be better taught with virtual reality class. It has its personalized feel, while some can be taught with augmented reality, and others could be taught with just watching videos and all that. So the experience differs. VR is a bit closer because of the immersive learning experience your students can get, or it provides. So you are creating a virtual reality glass for your classroom. I see a future where every kid have this cut out in their bag when they get to school or at home, and they could learn have some deep learning experience using the cardboard after it's been cut. So that's the cutout. So you use your sellotape, and just arrange it back to back, and use your sellotape to glue, join the longer parts together. Yes, cuts out the excess sellotape, so it looks something like this. Now the other part is for the lenses. I had to order these lenses on Jumia online, so it got to me. So it's 2 biconvex lenses that you're going to put. It's going to be within the carton itself. It's going to be within the carton itself, and the folding should be right so that it doesn't fall off. The folding should be right so that it doesn't fall off. Now you could use a bit of trick there by pushing the lenses in between the cardboard itself. Pushing the lenses in between the cardboard. It's a biconvex lens, which helps you magnify the object both sides. So you could actually maybe on another tutorial I will show you how to create a biconvex lens using plastic bottles, but not for this session. So you just fold it up. I'll show you a different carton cut out there. Yes, this is a different carton cutout which is more accurate. Easy to fold. Then your magnet should be at both ends. Your magnet is to help you click when you're having your VR experience with your phone. So sometimes it's quite tricky when folding it. So you have to repeat it on and on till you get it right. So that flap actually separates your phone from the glass so that it doesn't fall into the glass and it keeps your phone steady. So that's your magnet. That's your magnets at the end. By sliding the magnets down, it springs up easily. Okay, I'll have to rearrange this so that, okay, the magnet just fell off. I'll have to rearrange it so that it fits in right. The magnet falls in the right place. So okay, that is now perfect. Then I put the middle, I put the Velcro. The essence of the Velcro is to, I'll be putting it later on. Okay, that's a plastic to fix in. Like I told you, the arrangement sometimes can be tricky, so you just have to make sure it's well placed. Okay, it's well placed, and I am using the rubber bands to hold it together. Normally you can use super glue. You can use super glue for that. That's the Velcro, so that when I fix my phone inside, it can hold it with a strap. So very easy to use. You could get some from maybe a used bag or belt or anything. So this is just a bit neat. Then you put super glue at the back so that you could fix it, so you could hold your flap cover easily. Now I'll be bringing my phone and placing my phone. Then that's my cardboard app on my Android phone. I just installed it. So it's asking me to flip it to landscape mode. So that's what I'm doing. Then I just fix it in. That's it. Thank you.